Okay, hello everybody. It's Pony Awesome here, and sorry for that 40 seconds of that, me figuring out. And I'm playing a game, Meeuw, or whatever. I actually don't know how to pronounce it. But it's a game where you destroy everything as a seagull. Destroy, destruction, destroy everything. Look at the mouth. It just goes wah, 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 wah. Destroy everything, everyone. Destroy everything. You just go around and destroy everything. Oh my gosh! You die! Everything explodes! Everything must die! Everything must die! I am loving it! I'm loving it! Whoa! How can you die? They just blow up. Oh, I figured it out! Woo! 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 Aw. What? 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 When I start doing that, I get off, though. That's sad. Get back on! Get back on! Oh, it's C. Oh. Why can't I, like... Whatever. Destroy everything! This is just gonna be a video of me destroying everything. But I'm gonna have to destroy everything! Does my dream come true yet? Am I the son you wanted? Yes! Ah! I'm marching through the floor! Oh my gosh! What is going on? Woo! 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 Go up! Woo! 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 What's with my feet? Woo! I can be whatever I want, and when I grow up, I chose to be a seagull with fire breath. Die! Die! Oh my gosh! Are you guys seeing this? Die! Die, chair! Die! 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 Oh, and thus it was.
The apocalypse. When everybody died. All by the hands of one seagull.
Oh my gosh, you die! You die! Die! You die! You die! Die!
Michael Bay presents King of Fire Breathing Seagull!
Destruction! The world needs destruction! Destruction! Distraction. 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 Destruction. The apocalypse. Destruction. 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 I'm a little seagull riding a bike, running around with the other seagulls. We are on this weird beach that's gray, filled with ashes. That person must die! Okay. Well, everybody, hope you all enjoyed that. This was Meeuw or whatever, MEEUW. I don't know. But yeah, that is awesome. It's an awesome game. Yeah, just gotta destroy everything. Well, anyways, I will see you all later, my fellow peoples. Love you. Bye.